Hello, Chris Maynor from the campus of Union University in Jackson, Tennessee. Let's talk. Have you asked anyone who's taken this course already questions like, is it really as hard as I've heard? What's that class like? Is it a lot of numbers? Do I really need to buy the book? What do I have to do to get by in that class? Well, these are common questions that students will often ask their peers before taking a class. The problem is that you may not always be asking good sources. You know, the Bible says that the companion of fools suffers harm. We want to be careful who we get our information from. So, over the last couple of years, I have asked some students who performed very well in this class, students who performed consistently well, who made near perfect scores on all of their exams, to share with me the secrets to their success. On the last page of your syllabus, I have copied an email from one of those students, a student who gave me permission to share this information with you. I think the things this student says are fairly representative of the things that I hear from students time and time again, from those students who I know have done well. I think there are 4 things you want to notice in this student's letter to me. First of all, successful students in this class make good use of the online lessons. You'll notice that she says, for every lesson, I take notes on everything. Everything. I save it on my computer. I make sure to take note of specific formulas and relationships. She made good use of the online lessons. Second, successful students make good use of the textbook. She says, I go through the reading. She says in the second paragraph, I would encourage others to make an outline of the textbook readings. She made good use of the textbook. Third, successful students take the quizzes very seriously. The thing that has helped me the most are the quizzes. Now, I didn't say that. That's not my words. These are the words of a student who did extremely well in this course. The thing that helped me the most are the quizzes. Now, there's one other thing. It's not explicitly stated in this email, in this letter that was written to me. You have to read between the lines, but it's there. There's a 4th ingredient to success. Successful students in this class do not procrastinate. Do you think that this student did all of these things that she mentions? Do you think she did them all on a Sunday afternoon? I can tell you for a fact she didn't. This student began working on the week's material early in the week, and worked progressively throughout. I encourage you to do the same thing. I know that some of you, your schedules don't allow. For those of you who can, you should try to space out the work that you do. And again, you'll hear me say this over and over. It won't be the last time. Don't wait until 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock on a Sunday night to take your exams. Not a good idea. Again, you can ask whoever you wish, but this information comes from a student who I can tell you for sure knew what she was doing. A student who performed very well in this class and actually has performed well in all of her classes in the MBA program. That concludes our review of the syllabus. I appreciate your patience. I know you're ready to get going with the course material. I wish you all well, and again, any questions, direct them to my email, and I'll try my best to respond quickly. Best wishes.